Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu, and good morning to everyone, especially to our instructor, Ma'am Derwisa Karim Khamish Murad. So today, I am going to discuss to you the Module 5, Lesson 1, titled Using Technology Tools to Collaborate and Share Resources Among Communities of Practice. This is the learning objectives of the Module 5. At the end of the module, the student should be able to identify features and uses of ICT tools for collaboration and sharing of resources among communities of practice. Second is engage in a community of learning, or COL, for mathematics and science teachers and learners. And then design a collaborative activity using appropriate technology tools and implement the designed ICT-based collaborative activity. So first, let us define what is collaboration. So collaboration is the process of two or more people, entities, or organizations working together to complete a task or achieve a goal. Meaning, it is an act or process of working together or cooperating. There are a lot of literature citing that one of the most important skills that must be developed among students is collaboration. These skills needs to be developed as students are taught in school, because this is very important in the workplace. So collaboration is also important to help them as future teachers achieve the learning outcomes of their lesson. So when we say collaboration is you are working together. So doon kayo magsi-share ng ideas, thoughts and ideas para makabuo kayo ng outcomes ng mga ginagawa nyo. As a future teachers, collaboration is very important for us as it will develop our knowledge, thoughts, and ideas na masi-share and magagamit natin when we are teaching na, because we are collaborating with the students, the teachers, the principal, and the parents. Kung hindi tayo marunong makipag-collaboration, hindi natin ma-achieve yung goals na gusto natin para sa mga students na meron tayo. One of the most used and cited is the 21st Century Learning Framework that puts collaboration as one of the important skills in the 21st century classroom. So this framework was developed to help practitioners integrate into the teaching of core academic subject the skills, knowledge, and expertise the students need to master to be able to succeed in work and in life. Within the context of core knowledge instruction, students must also learn the essential skills for success in today's world, such as critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. Educators can integrate these 21st century skills by designing learning experiences that encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and especially the collaboration. As we are in a 21st century, the students must have this critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration for them to succeed not just in their works or field but also in their lives. The development of collaboration skills among students is essential as it prepares them to inclusive and productive in the class and in the society. If students will be given tasks that will promote collaboration with their classmates, they will learn to value their classmates' inputs and ideas. When we are collaborating with other students, ang ginagawa is hindi tayo pwedeng, kayong magkakaibigan, hindi kayo pwedeng magsama-sama in just one group. We are inclusive. Because of the collaboration, students will also learn to value those thoughts and ideas na meron tayo bawat isa. Moreover, they will learn to adjust with the working and learning styles of their classmates, which will eventually help and prepare them to workplace that will require collaboration with workers and stakeholders who also have diverse personalities, skills, and knowledge. It is essential to develop collaborative skills among learners to make them inclusive and productive in the classroom and society. So if the learners are assigned tasks to promote cooperation with their peers, they will learn to value the contributions and ideas of their peers. In addition, they will learn to adapt to the work and learning styles of their peers, which will ultimately help them to prepare for their workplace, which will require the collaboration of workers and stakeholders with different personalities, skills, and knowledge. And in by that, we could build a good relationship not just in our workplace, the students, the teachers, but the people around you. What could be the benefits of integrating the mathematics and science classes for students? In mathematics and science classes, collaborative tasks are very useful in acquiring mathematical and scientific skills. When students are given the opportunity to work and collaborate with or among each other, they develop higher order thinking skills. At the same time, develop their self-confidence in teaching their classmates. Just like what we did in our first ever SciMath fair, we collaborated with the mathematics major. Examples is nung may game tayo, which is the scavengers. Bawat isa na-develop yung critical thinking natin dahil sa mga pinagawa nila sa atin. Na-develop din yung self-confidence natin in teaching our groupmates. Bawat isa nag-share ng ideas kung paano natin makomplete yung task na ipinapagawa nila sa atin. Collaborative math activities like games promote their social, emotional skills like self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making by Toad 2020. So moving on from the Module 5 introduction, we are now in Lesson 1, the ICT tools for collaboration and sharing resources. Lesson outcomes. First, identify the relevance of collaboration in real-life situations. Participate in the exploration of ICT tools for collaboration and use innovative technological tools for collaboration in the development of mathematics and science learning plans. There are a lot of collaboration tools that were proven to be very useful in the field of education. So these collaboration tools have been cited as supportive tools that facilitate the meeting of different minds even if they are geographically dispersed. So this section presents various collaboration tools which were shared by the following researchers. Online collaboration tools to facilitate a professional learning community. So the following platforms were shared by Julie Moore 2018 that supported the Critical Friends Groups or CFG works. CFG is a professional learning community that is founded on learning from authentic works in the community. Moore shared that the following platforms were used for the CFG works to attain the community's expressed goals. The first one is the text-based chat. So the use of a text-based chat in a community has been seen as an advantage both for teachers and learners when they are able to collaborate their ideas and thoughts which are abstract and difficult. So through this, learners can communicate with other learners around the world to solve certain problems. One of the good features of text-based chat is its text chat tool that allows other people or the members of the learning community to see when another member is typing. Text-based chat is a keyboard-generated electronic chat that is simultaneously dialogic. So there is also voice-based chat, video and voice-based chat, as well as either of these in combination with keyboard-generated chat. So some of the examples of text-based chat is the WhatsApp, the Messenger, Telegram, WeChat, and many more. The next one is the Skype. So I know that most of us are familiar with this application, the Skype. So Skype is a application allows for a more free-flowing conversation and requires less preparation for the facilitators. Skype enables teachers to find classes thousands of miles away or just around the corner to collaborate and learn with. This application allows for a more free conversation and occurs with less preparation for the facilitators or the teachers. CFG initially used Skype's audio conferencing capabilities but found hearing each other a nice change from typing work to text chat. So they later tried Skype's video conferencing feature but stalled due to connection problems and delays between audio and video. So that means hindi na ganun ka-useful ang Skype for the education. It's because of the some connection problems. The third one is the Wimba Live Classroom. This is similar to other synchronous online classroom tools such as GoToMeeting in Wimba. You can share audio, push PowerPoint slides, push websites, and share your desktop. So para siyang Google Meet. So, ang Wimba Live Classroom is a virtual classroom environment with features including audio, video, application sharing, content display just like the PowerPoint, and also the MP4 capabilities. It is an online teaching and learning environment where teachers and students can present course materials, engage and interact with other members of the virtual class, and work in groups together. So the key distinction of this classroom is that takes place in a live or synchronous setting. So ang Wimba ay para siyang katulad ng Google Meet na ginagamit natin when it comes to online classes. May pagka-same sila ng mga features. So ang Wimba is para siyang Google Meet. It enables districts and schools to quickly gain insights such as attendance, duration, and participation, means for extracting information about use by students, and including how frequently they speak and raise their hand. So if you have some questions, pwede kang mag-raise ng hand kasi makikita naman dun. And also, pwede rin sa text box. The fourth one is the Google Hangouts. So the Google Hangouts is a communication platform that allows users to make voice and video calls, send instant messages, and share photos and files through the Google Docs. It works as a browser extension, mobile app, or through a Gmail account. So ang Google Hangouts is screen sharing and collaboration tools. You can also mute the video feeds if you want, and also turn them back on if ready ka na. And if you have a questions, you can also write in a whiteboard on the screen, and also may text chat features din siya. It gives the participants the ability to easily access, share agendas, and collaborate documents via Google Docs. Some of the great features of the Google Hangouts are video conferencing, voice calls, chat, file sharing, screen sharing, chat anywhere, and chats are archived in Gmail so you can search it. So the next one is the Zoom As. This is the latest technology tried by CFG is Zoom As. So I know most of us are familiar with this application kasi ginagamit din natin siya for online classes. So this Zoom is a communication platforms that allows users to connect with video, audio, phone, and chat using Zoom, requires an internet connection and supported device. It also has a chat feature and screen sharing capabilities just like the Google Meet. You can also share your screen for your presentation, not just you but also the students. CFG finds Zoom as a better platform, so it offers the ability to share a screen and collaboratively annotate it. a video conferencing tool that provides instructors and students a way to meet online synchronously via personal your PC, laptop, or cell phone, with or without using video. So the instructor can set up the Zoom meetings to conduct classes online as well as record them for later access by students. So that's the feature of the Zoom as. The last application is the Kahoot. And I know that most of us are familiar with this uh, application and nagamit na rin natin siya. And this is one of the most useful application for mathematics and science. Zucker and Fish 2019 conducted a study that shows that Kahoot application can be used as a collaboration tool. Kahoot is a web-based platform that allows users to easily create and play interactive multiple-choice style games. So it is a game-based learning platform used to review students' knowledge for formative assessment or as a break from a traditional classroom activities. Kahoot is a tool that motivates and activates the students' learning because it can test their knowledge, reiterate important concepts, and helps them retain information. It also provides instructors with the ability to further create class discussion and student-to-student interaction. The piece concludes with recommendations for educators to make use of digital collaboration tools to connect and share expertise with colleagues across educational sites and levels in order to work together to meet the learning needs of new generation students. As we are in a 21st century, the teachers can be use this Kahoot as an ICT tool to educate the students. It makes learning fun, which makes it appealing to students. So it makes the students feel like they are just playing a game. The use of this platform Kahoot has been shown to empower learners and bridge the gap between the traditional and digital instructional activities. It promotes the essential skills for the 21st century. These 6 applications mentioned helps in breaking the walls of time, distance, and speed in the educational sectors. Through these applications, we exchange information, teaching strategies, teaching methods, and learning approaches, especially in teaching science and mathematics. The importance of these ICT tools to help the teachers make teaching learning effective. For teachers, it can be used to reduce workload and share information with other teachers. And for the students, it can provide an environment where they can easily concentrate on their lessons and become more interested in learning. As we are in a 21st century learning, the students are not just reading and writing but also interact more with their classmates and teachers and to develop their critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. And that ends my report. Thank you for listening. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.